Hi there, I'm James Peters, a product manager here at Nureva, and today we are going to walk you through the Nureva app, how to connect to it, how to use it to set up and configure your device, and how it supports troubleshooting. The Nureva app is a companion to the HDL310 and HDL410 systems in our Pro series. It makes it quick and easy to set up and configure the systems, guiding you through the installation steps and device updates. With the Nureva app, it's simple to optimize and customize both the in-room and remote experience. There's no need to download software, create accounts, or have an ongoing internet connection. Before we look at the Nureva app's features, let's talk about how to get started. There are multiple ways to connect to the app, but the easiest, which I'll show you here, is using a direct connection. You'll need a device with a supported internet browser and an Ethernet port or an Ethernet adapter, an Ethernet cable, and the HDL310 or HDL410 Connect module. Follow these 3 simple steps for a direct connection with the app. First, connect the Ethernet cable to the network port on the Connect module. Second, connect the Ethernet cable to the device. And third, open an internet browser and enter the IP address 169.254.254.254. You can also connect with the Nureva app through your local area network, either with a static IP address which you can set in the Nureva app or via DHCP. Now note that both your device and the Nureva audio system will need to be on the same local area network to connect. To access the Nureva app over the local area network, you'll need the device password, which is defaulted to the enrollment code found on the bottom of the Connect module. You can change this password in the settings section of the Nureva app. Now that we're connected, let me walk you through the features of the Nureva app. The first area we're going to look at is the device setup tool. This tool shows your key installation tips with animated graphics, including bar placement and mounting requirements. Following these tips will help you avoid installation issues that could lead to a poor audio performance. The device setup tool also walks you through a series of steps so your device is ready to go. It will run a device update to ensure you have the latest version of the software, and it will run a calibration sequence so your device is calibrated for your space. You can also do device updates right from the home screen. Whenever a new version of the device software becomes available, the Nureva app will show the update button. Simply click the button and the device will be updated. It's that easy. Now, let's look at the options for customizing your Nureva audio setup. In the settings section of the app, you'll find all the audio and device settings you need if you want to customize your setup. Some important ones to note from an audio perspective are the audio conferencing presets, which will allow you to quickly set your device to work with Microsoft Teams or Zoom. You can select one of these presets so that your audio settings are optimized for your UCNC platform. Also under settings, you'll find the Dynamic Boost speaker setting. When enabled, Dynamic Boost increases speaker output and improves speech intelligibility. Now when we go to the input and output section of the Nureva app, we can see how other solutions can be integrated to work with Nureva devices. For example, you can configure voice amplification mode, which you can use with a third-party wireless microphone connected to your Nureva device for in-room amplification. From the Nureva app, you can enable voice amplification mode and configure the settings to customize your setup. In the input and output section, you can also set up camera integrations and camera switching. You can connect an InnoGeny multi-camera selector to your HDL410 through your local area network. And once you've established a connection, you can proceed to the coverage map to create camera zones and apply the camera switching settings. Also in the Nureva app, you can activate our AI-enabled voice detection feature, which enhances our sound location data by setting it to only track voices. The last area I'll show you is the troubleshooting tools available in the Nureva app. The device information page shows all the key details about the device itself, like its serial number, IP address, enrollment status, and which bars are connected to which port. In this troubleshooting section, we have some additional tools to help you resolve issues quickly. One tool is our network check, which is helpful when trying to determine which endpoints might be preventing you from completing important tasks. This network check tool looks at each endpoint, both for your device and the Nureva device, and shows when there's an issue. You can also quickly and easily restart and reset your Nureva device right from the Nureva app, saving you from having to physically access the device to get it back to a known good state. To find out more about the Nureva app, check out nureva.com/app.